students of class 8. Today we will read one very mysterious, very interesting poem written by Thomas Stearns Eliot or T.S. Eliot. Okay, and the name of the poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat. Before reading this poem, we will learn one or two lines about the poet. Who was T.S. Eliot? T.S. Eliot was a modern English poet, right? He was a novelist, poet, story writer, etc. Here he presented this poem in a very humorous way, in a comical way. And I think you will get this poem in a funny way. So let's start. Do you have a pet cat? So someone has dog as pet, someone has cat, someone has rabbit, someone has horse, etc. So do you have a pet cat? Do you have this class 8? Who has? Then if you have, then have you not ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Have you ever noticed mysterious? कुछ रहस्य उस बिल्ली का अंदर छुपा है, ऐसा कुछ दिखाई दिया क्या? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? If yes, fine. If not, then also fine. It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. Means it is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. So maybe if you have cat as pet, find it if it has any mysterious character or not. You must find it, right? Those who have pet this cat as pet, you must find it whether your pet has any mysterious quality or not. If you have, you must report. But Macavity is one. Macavity is a very mysterious cat. कुछ रहस्य छुपा है उसका अंदर. For sure, it was sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? What is the mystery that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Let's read the poem and find out. Macavity. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Macavity is a mystery cat. एक रहस्यमय बिल्ली, ठीक है. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden means छुपा हुआ पंजा, उसको क्या कहते हैं. Because no one can find him out. Where he stays, where he lives, where he goes, no one can find him out. That's why hidden paw. What is the master criminal who can defy the law? He is the master criminal. Means he commits any kind of crime, and who can defy, who can break, who can disobey. Defy means break or disobey any kind of human law, rule. So rule breaker, right? He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. So the bafflement means confusion. Is the kind of confusion of Scotland Yard. What is Scotland Yard? that is the headquarters of London Police, right? So the poet is kind of exaggerating here. He is so much mysterious that he is the bafflement, kind of confusion also to the Scotland Yard, to the headquarters of London Police, and the flying squad despair. So one kind of squad, like bomb squad. So flying squad's despair also means the flying squad also was not possible, means was not able to catch him. That's why despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Means after any crime, when they reach, they do not find him out. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Macavity is different from others. He has broken every human law. He is a rule breaker, law breaker. He breaks the law of gravity also. Means law of gravity means if you throw something upwards, it will come downwards. So he has also broken the law of gravity. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means to go upwards, or power to fly in the air. And fakir means kind of magician over here. So magicians can do any kind of and so any kind of magic. So he has that power of levitation to fly, to remain in the air, and that would make a fakir stare. Stare means to gaze, to look constantly at him. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So after any crime, if you go there, you will not find the Macavity there. You may seek him in the basement. Basement means underground room. Basement, underground room. You may look up in the air. But I will tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. But Macavity is so much mysterious that you will not find him out. That's all. I will stop over here. You will write the critical appreciation of these lines. Thank you. That's all.